The Kernel Slack Chat Export is one of the best export software to save all the Slack direct messages easily. Export all the direct messages elements, including 1:1 conversations, threads, attachments, users, mentions, hyperlinks, and many more in HTML and PDF file format. Additionally, back up all Slack direct messages in the local or network drive of the system. Advanced features of the Kernel Slack Chat Export software. Export Slack conversations from direct messages and channels. Save Slack messages and attachments as per your backup needs. Export public and private channels in the local and NAS drives. Export all Slack data in HTML and PDF file formats for easy access. Download Slack attachments in RAW format as they were in Slack. Utilize date filter to save Slack chats based on selected dates. Save Slack backup report in a CSV file for tracking backup data. Let's understand the Slack direct messages step-by-step process. Download and install the Kernel Slack Chat Export tool. Launch the software and click Next on the software's home screen. In the Slack connection and user selection window, click on Add to Map Slack User Auth Tokens. In the following window, enter username and user auth tokens. Click Next. The software will start validating users and add the Slack user. To add bulk Slack users, export CSV file from the software. Enter the file name and save it in the desired folder of the system. After exporting a sample CSV, the software will pop up a "Details have been saved successfully" message, and click OK. Now, enter essential credentials in the CSV file and import CSV in the software. Select the CSV file containing bulk Slack users' credentials and click Open. The software will automatically start validating users from the CSV file. After importing the CSV file, you will get a "CSV is imported and validated successfully" message, and click OK. The software will list all the Slack users and select the necessary users for backup. Note, if the Slack user auth token is invalid, the software will highlight that user in red color. Click on Edit to input legit credentials and click on Validate to sync that user with the tool. Use the search dialog box to find a specific Slack user from multiple ones. You can even remove unnecessary users from the software. Click on Next to initiate a hassle-free Slack direct messages backup process. The software will open Source Entities for Backup window, select Direct Messages. Select Messages to export conversations only, and for digital documents, select Files. There is an advanced date filter to export selective data based on the selected date. Click on Browse to choose destination location, to save exported Slack direct messages. Our software will start exporting Slack direct messages and show you a live exporting process. After completing the Slack chat export process, the software will pop up a "Backup is completed" message, and click OK. You can easily download the backup report by clicking on the Save Report to CSV option. Select a specific location and enter a file name to save the backup report. The software will pop up a "Saved successfully" message, and click OK. To access exported Slack data, click on the Open Backup Folder option. You will be directly redirected to the saved folder where you can access all your Slack direct messages without facing any issues. With this easy step-by-step guide, you can easily back up Slack direct messages conversations along with attachments, with chats and files intact. To export Slack channels, check out the second part of this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.